Hi guys, today I'm going to make a volcano erupt with baking soda and vinegar. First, I'm going to put some baking soda. Now I'm going to put some vinegar. After I put the vinegar, the volcano is going to erupt. That's it.